Hey you, yeah you, wouldn't it be nice to have extra money for bills, emergencies, or just peace of mind knowing you can spend a little more on your loved ones and yourself? Well, now you can earn points towards cash by downloading apps, playing games, and taking surveys. In this short video, I will show you how you can earn points, turn your points into cash, get free gift cards, games, and much more. To start, go to your Safari browser and type in FeaturePoints.com. Now enter code MKMoney. Now you have 50 free points. Now I will explain just how it all works. Okay, I'm going into my FeaturePoints app. As you can see, I have just over 1,000 points. And it probably took me a half an hour to get those. I just cashed out $50. But here's some of the rewards. You have Best Buy, Walmart, some of the gift cards you can get, Bed Bath & Beyond, Xbox, Starbucks. Now let's see how you earn the points. Downloading apps. These are a lot of apps that you can download and just have on your phone for just takes a few minutes, and then they award you the points. Surveys, as you can see, you can get quite a bit of points from taking surveys. Then the rewards again, there's Bitcom, which is a new one, Amazon. And let's look at the PayPal. Many of you want to get the cash, so you can go all the way from $3 to $1,000. And there, believe it or not, there's people that actually do $1,000. So it's not unreasonable. So looking back at the rewards, there's Target, Walmart, a lot of cool gift cards. Xbox, you can get up to $10 gift card on games. So it's a lot of cool stuff, iTunes. So now I want to show you how to get the FeaturePoints app. Many people have had trouble finding the app. I know I did, so I had to look for a tutorial myself. And this is how you do it. I'm going to delete the app from my phone and start from scratch. Go into FeaturePoints.com, click on the arrow, then go to Add to Home Screen, click Add button at the top, and there you go. Simple as that. I hope this video has helped you. If so, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Earn those points and get that money.